time, but make sure they're warm. Hey, Shina. Make sure they're warm before they feed. We feed them. It's very important. And the three of them right now. So I'm guiding. Sometimes you need to help them out. It's very important. Sometimes you don't. That one is he was born already. Drinking milk. This one needs a little guidance. This needs a little guidance. It's okay. Nothing wrong. Good to keep in mind. Yeah, so far we got 3. Thank God. There are parties. So beautiful. My 3 little cows. Want the milk? Got milk. So beautiful.